I would like to express my thanks and gratitude to all of those who made this book possible, on whom the book is woven around, the characters of the book, the people on whom these stories are based on, and many of them who are here. I'd like to express my sincere thanks to all of you, and without your experiences, support, and encouragement, I don't think this book would ever have been possible. I'd like to give all of you to give them a big hand. Thank you, Ms. Preeta, for releasing my book, and for all the good words you just said. And just to tell you that, yes, you did say that it is quite a difficult job to balance your practice with writing, but it wasn't for me, because if you make it a hobby, then you enjoy what you're doing. So I'm sure that there are many of us here, consultants, who have definitely a talent for writing, and all it probably requires is that you make it as a hobby, and I'm sure we can have gems from many of our consultants here in no time. I would also like to thank Sangeeta Reddy, who probably will join us a bit later, for not only writing the foreword for the book, but for all the support and encouragement, without which I don't think the book would be as it is. And of course, publishers, Mr. Dinesh Sinha from Byword Books, Sridhar Balan from Ratnasagar, who have converted a manuscript into the book in its form, and without whom this would just be what it was, just a manuscript. Thank you, Balan. And then, of course, I would like to thank my wife Seema, who's here somewhere, and my son Jatin, who I have been terrorizing for the last 1.5 years, insisting that they read my chapters. She's here. Insisting that they read my chapters and give me an input as to what to think about it, whether they were in the mood for it or not. So last 1.5 years, that has been their job, and they've been my sounding board for this book. And additionally, my wife Seema also had the horror of having to convert my illegible handwriting into typing. She's the one who's typed the entire manuscript, and I don't know how she did that, because because many say that my handwriting, 80% of it is illegible, but she managed it, and thank you. I would also thank my brother, Dr. K.S. Naik, who's here today, and who I'm sure all of you know, but for those of you who don't, he's a leading nephrologist in the city, and who was instrumental in getting me to Hyderabad and to Apollo, which association have been continuing for the last 17 years now. Thank you. And I would like to thank my sister-in-law Sadhana for just being here today and looking so beautiful. And of course, I would like to thank my colleagues, consultants, many of those who are here and those who are not, and my other friends and other people in the audience. And hopefully some of you will carry a copy of the book with you when you leave the hall today. And also like to thank members of the trade community, the booksellers, who also are, some of them are here today. And I also hope that many of you will keep copies of the book in your stores, and hopefully some people will buy it. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Yamini here, who has been hosting the show so far very well, and I'm sure she'll continue to do so, and Madan for all the artwork which he has spent a lot of time in doing. Thank you.